Hi there, and welcome to another quick bite of eCritical. Today I would like to go through the process of logging in to eCritical through a remote server such as Citrix. The advantage of using eCritical is the ability to look up patients and complete documentation remotely without actually having to be either in the intensive care unit or even within the AHS networks. The use of the Citrix servers allows us to log in from anywhere practically anywhere we want. For those of you who use Netcare and are familiar with logging into Netcare from your own computer or from your tablet, then many of these processes will be fairly familiar to you. Now, in order to start get access to eCritical, first you need to have Citrix Receiver downloaded onto your computer, either laptop or tablet. In order to, it's a simple program to find. Just into any Google search engine, just type in Citrix Receiver, and then just select the Download Citrix Receiver choice, and it will take you to a page where you can download the appropriate Citrix Receiver application for the device that you're logged into, whether that's a Windows device or a Mac device. If you're using if you're using a tablet like a iPad or a Android tablet, then then you use the App Store for those specific devices in order to find the Citrix application and to download it onto your device. Now, I already have Citrix Receiver installed on my computer, so I'm not going to go through the process of downloading and installing it. I will assume that you know how to install basic programs onto your computer. And so at this point, if this is unfamiliar to you, let me know, and I can walk you through those specific steps. Once you have the program installed, then all you have to do in your search engine, in your address bar, is type in the URL myapps.albertahealthservices.ca. You don't need to add this stuff. This is automatic. This is all you need to type in. And it will take you to this login page. Once you're in the login page, you just type in your username for your AHS login, as well as your unhelpfully titled AD password, which stands for Active Directory password, which is just simply a clunky way of saying your AHS password. Next, you enter in your PIN and the number that appears on your keyfob, and click Login. Once the login screen opens, then you will be presented with a number of icons. The one you're looking for is Medivision Prod. For most people, they'll have a certain level of permission. They'll only have a certain number of icons available to them. Other people, if they have a little bit more, will actually have more choices. But it'll always be within a Medivision folder where you can find the Medivision Prod icon. And when you click on that, we'll open up Medivision. First, depending on your device, you may actually download a small program called a Launch ICA application, and you just click on that or open it as you normally would with your device. And they will then launch Medivision through the Citrix server, and then take you to the traditional blue login screen that you should be familiar with. If it asks you for any permissions, and just simply select Permit All, and then you'll get your login screen as you're usually familiar with. And you're away to the races. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and thanks for listening.